Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2014 Renault Clio Dynamique S MediaNav. This car comes with the 1 litre petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, returning up to a very impressive 62 miles to the gallon. A low insurance group of 10, so ideal for new drivers, and this is a 2-owner vehicle, having covered just over 43,000 miles and comes with good service history. This particular colour is called the Flame Red. As we have a look inside, you can see you've got a nice clean interior. The seats there are in really great condition with a adjustable armrest there in the centre. And then onto the dashboard, you then have your multimedia screen in the centre for your FM radio and Bluetooth for your phone. A few other features I can mention: the car also has cruise control, climate control, automatic headlights and wipers, and then on the driver's door card you then have your electric folding mirrors and full window controls. As we open the rear doors with the clever, carefully hidden door handles, you've got a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers also have the pockets in the back of the front seats, as well as a cup holder there in the centre. Opening the tailgate reveals a nice deep boot there, really deep and wide for a small hatchback, with the rear seats that can be folded down flat, as well as the parcel shelf that's still in place. And you also have a tyre inflator kit underneath the boot floor as well. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, and also rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions, or if you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.